10 दोस्त, एक रास्ता और दुनिया के शोर को पीछे छोड़कर अनजानी मंजिलों का सफ़र। वो सफ़र जो महज एक फरार से शुरू हुआ, जल्द ही वो हिम्मत और भाईचारे का एक कठिन इम्तिहान बन गया। शोर मचाते दरियाओं और खामोश चोटियों के दरमियान इस वीराने ने उन्हें सिर्फ आजमाया ही नहीं, बल्कि बदल कर रख दिया। वो निकले तो एक मंजिल की तलाश में थे, मगर आखिरकार उन्होंने खुद को पा लिया। This isn't just a place. This is Kumrat.
I don't talk just to fill the air. I don't move just to prove I care. I don't scare when the sky turns black. I don't leave when it pushes back. I've seen strong men lose their ground, heard brave words fall apart out loud. I don't shake when the walls give in. I get quiet and I dig in. When it gets heavy, when it gets loud, when everybody's running out, I don't run, I don't bend. When I stay, I don't fall. When I hold it on. When it's dark, when it breaks, you can lean, I won't shake. When I stand, you're safe. I've held hands in the worst of nights, kept my word when it cost my pride. I don't fold when the truth cuts deep. I don't promise what I can't keep. I've been low, I've been tested hard, lost a few, left a few scars, but I don't drown in what I face. I let it hit, then I brace. When it gets lonely, when it gets thin, when the fight's outside and within, I don't run, I don't bend. When I stay, I don't fall. When I hold it on. When it's dark, when it breaks, you can lean, I won't shake. When I stand, you're safe. You don't need a louder man, you need one who understands. So it don't scare me, it makes me who I am. When I stand, I don't fall. When I hold it on. When it's dark, when it breaks, you can lean, I won't shake. When I stand, you're safe. You're safe.
तेरी राह देखते देखते रह गए सनम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम।
हम तुम्हारी राह देखेंगे सनम, हम तुम्हारी राह देखेंगे सनम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम, तुम चले आओ पहाड़ों की कसम,